So let me guess, you are moving to the Atlanta area and you want to buy a new construction for you and your family. Are you somebody that is looking from 2-bedroom to 6-bedroom, from 2 bathrooms to 5 bathrooms, from 800 square feet up to 4,000 square feet homes? Do you want to be in a gated community in North Atlanta, Georgia? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to take you to the amazing Fischer Homes in a beautiful new master plan community. This is a gated community. It's called the Reserve at Liberty Park in Braselton, Georgia. Beautiful master plan community with amazing amenities. You're gonna have lighted tennis courts. You're gonna have a beautiful pool with a fountain. You will have private clubhouse, a gorgeous master plan community gated in Braselton, Georgia. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the model home, which is the Wyatt floor plan, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, approximately 2,700 square feet. Prices in the Reserve at Liberty Park by Fischer Homes are starting from $447,000 up to $550,000. These are base price for the 11 floor plans that they have available. So a lot of floor plans available here in the Reserve at Liberty Park in Braselton, Georgia. Experience luxury living with Fischer Homes Design Collection at the Reserve at Liberty Park. Exclusive single-family homes and multi-level family homes, 11 floor plans available in this gated community. So if you have kids and you want to be in a gated community and your price point is between $447,000 up to $550,000, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you contact us today so we can bring you here to the sales center so we can show you everything that's available. We're going to show you the different floor plans that they have available here in Fischer Homes, and of course you can secure a home for you and your family. We can help you write a contract. We can guide you to the entire process. In today's video, we're also going to drive to the entire community. We're going to show you the entire neighborhood. This is a beautiful gated community by Fischer Homes. So that's exactly what we're going to be covering in this video today, and we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Beaufort, Cumming, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be in Braselton, Georgia, in North Atlanta, very close to I-85, so easy access to the highway. For those of you that have to commute to Atlanta, this is going to be an amazing location. So this is a beautiful gated community that we're going to present today, the Reserve at Liberty Park in Braselton, Georgia by Fischer Homes. So from this location to get to Atlanta, 50 minutes drive, so like a 48-mile drive, and you are in downtown Atlanta. For those of you that have to go to the airport, let's say you commute and you have to fly a lot, maybe every single week, and you have to go to Atlanta International Airport. From this location to go to Atlanta International Airport, 65 minutes drive and you are at the airport. So very easy access to I-85. Like from this location, 3 or 4 minutes and you are on I-85. In today's video, we're gonna show you this beautiful community. We're gonna show you the entire neighborhood. And of course, we're gonna show you the model home. This is the Wyatt floor plan, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms with a gorgeous kitchen, a beautiful rec room on the main floor, a flat backyard, of course, and a loft upstairs. You can imagine this beautiful home has a gorgeous master bedroom upstairs with a beautiful master bathroom. So for those of you that your budget is around $500,000 and you want to be in a gated community, make sure you contact us today so we can bring you here to the sales center and show you everything that they have available in the Reserve at Liberty Park by Fischer Homes here in Braselton, Georgia. Now let's go inside and see this beautiful model home. Now, if you see here, this home right here is going to be available in 30 days. This is the Wyatt floor plan, exactly the model home, the same floor plan. You're going to have a nice office. You're going to have a rec room on the main floor. Of course, a big master and a nice sitting area upstairs. Now, what's different about this property right here? This is on an unfinished basement with a beautiful deck in the back. So for those of you that are looking to be in a gated community and you want to have a home that sits on an unfinished basement with a gorgeous deck in the back, make sure you contact us today because this home is available. It's going to be listed at $601,000. So $601,000 for a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bedroom, unfinished basement, sliding door, a patio, gorgeous, and a beautiful deck on the main floor right where the kitchen is and the rec room. Now, for those of you that want to build a different plan here in the Reserve at Liberty Park by Fischer Homes, they do have another 10 lots available. So what that means, for example, this lot right here, this is very similar with this lot here. So it's going to be a home that sits on a basement. You can choose a different floor plan for you and your family. If you need something bigger, let's say the 3,800 square feet home, 3,500 square feet, you can choose that floor plan and build your home right here on this lot, which is actually available. So let me show you this, because these are lots on a slope. What that means, they're going to build your home on an unfinished basement. So as you see, this one is available. This home is going to be positioned as this one. A different floor plan. If you do not want the Wyatt and you want something bigger, you're going to have a different floor plan. And they're going to build it right here with the upgrades that you want your house to be built on. Isn't this amazing? To be able to build your home from scratch. You choose the lot, you choose the floor plan that best fits your needs, and in 6 months to 9 months, your home is going to be ready. Now we hope this video was helpful for those of you that are looking for a new construction and you want to be in North Atlanta, Georgia. Keep in mind this beautiful community still has at least 10 lots still available, so you can choose the lot that best fits your need, and you can choose the floor plan from the 11 floor plans that they have available in this gorgeous community with an option to add a basement. You can choose your floor plan and start building your home. 7 to 12 months your home is going to be ready. Now for those of you that want a ready to move in home, Fischer Homes here in the reserve at Liberty Park gated community has still some homes available. 3 to 5 homes are still available for you to purchase. So make sure you contact us, make sure you subscribe, and comment below. Do you think this neighborhood is a good option for you and your family? Would you buy a property here, and what's your budget? This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.